As this is a high-performance appliance, there are some important aspects to ensure that you have a machine that continues to deliver perfect beverages and that has a very long life. Here, I would like to walk through a few of the most common aspects of handling and maintenance to ensure that you have the best possible experience with your Miele coffee machine. Let's begin with general cleaning. Daily, you'll want to clean your grounds container and drip tray. To remove the drip tray, pull from the bottom of the machine and slide it straight out. Empty the liquid into a sink and discard the grounds in your grounds container, and then rinse or wash the components. The items that are dishwasher safe are labeled accordingly. It's also a good idea to wipe down the drip tray recess inside the machine with a warm, damp cloth. Once clean, reassemble and slide the drip tray back into the unit. It's also recommended weekly to clean the central spout and the milk pipework rinse valve, and to rinse your brew unit. To access your central spout, simply remove the stainless steel cover by pulling it towards you. Then remove the dispensing unit as shown. Carefully disassemble the dispensing unit and wash in the dishwasher. Once cleaned, reassemble the dispensing unit and replace back into the unit, followed by the cover. To clean the milk pipework rinse valve, simply remove the silicone hose, then pull the rinse valve body from the hose as shown. Rinse thoroughly and clean with a pipe cleaner if removing buildup is necessary. To rinse the brew unit, simply open the appliance door and remove the brew unit as shown. It's important to only rinse the brew unit with warm water, as cleaning agents can damage its lubricated parts. It's also a good idea to wipe away any coffee ground residue on the interior of the machine. Finally, place the brew unit back into the machine and lock it back in place and close the appliance door. The Miele coffee machines do a great job communicating with you and alerting you when maintenance is needed. Some of the maintenance prompts include descaling the machine, degreasing the brew unit, or cleaning the milk pipework. For each of these maintenance cycles, it is recommended to use Miele branded descaling tablets, cleaning tabs for degreasing, and cleaning agent for milk pipework cleaning cycles. Let's begin with descaling. Your machine will alert you when there's under 50 uses remaining before you need to descale. It will continue to count down as you use the machine. To initiate descaling, simply navigate to the main menu and scroll down and select Maintenance. Then scroll down and select Descale Appliance. The display will now walk you through step by step for the descaling process. The complete cycle takes approximately 15 minutes. In this case, we're first prompted to empty our drip tray and waste container. We'll do so, then place the drip tray and waste container back in the machine. We're then prompted to fill our water container with lukewarm water up to the symbol shown on your screen. It's important to fill exactly to that line to avoid a descaling loop. We'll then add a descaling tablet to our water container and place that back in the machine. We're then prompted to place our valve in the drip tray. So we'll connect our milk pipework as shown and then press OK on our screen. We're next prompted to place a container under the main dispenser and the hot water spout, so we'll do just that. It's ideal to use a larger container in this scenario. Once you're ready to continue, just hit OK. The machine will then run the descaling process. You'll then be prompted to empty your containers. Once you do that, you can proceed by selecting OK. You'll then be prompted to empty the drip tray and waste container once again. After the drip tray is replaced, you can add your containers back on the tray, then select OK to continue. Finally, you'll be prompted to rinse and refill your water container. Once that's replaced, you'll then be prompted to place your valve back in your drip tray as shown. Continue by selecting OK. The machine will run a final rinse program, and once the descaling process is complete, the screen to Select Drink will appear. That's it. If you correctly followed all the prompts, then you should have successfully descaled your machine. Now, let's move on to degreasing your brew unit. The brew unit must be degreased regularly to ensure aromatic coffee and trouble-free operation. To begin the degrease process, simply navigate to the main menu and scroll down and select Maintenance. Then scroll down and select Degrease the brew unit. The display will now walk you through step by step for the degreasing process. The complete cycle takes approximately 10 minutes. In this case, we're first prompted to remove the brew unit. Simply open the appliance door on the side of your machine and remove the brew unit as shown. You're also prompted to wipe down the inside of the machine to remove any coffee residue. Next, rinse your brew unit thoroughly using warm water. It's important to only rinse the brew unit as cleaning agents can damage its lubricated parts. Finally, drop one Miele cleaning tablet into the top of the unit and place the unit back into the coffee machine and lock into place. Close the appliance door and the time remaining for the maintenance program will be shown in the display. The degreasing of the brew unit process is complete when the drinks menu appears again. That's it. If you correctly followed all the prompts, then you should have successfully degreased your brew unit. Now, let's move on to cleaning the milk pipework. Once again, navigate to your main menu and scroll down and select Maintenance. Then scroll down and select Clean Milk Pipework. You'll see Rinse Milk Pipework as an option too, but that's a shorter rinsing process that you'd use after making a milk beverage. Cleaning the milk pipework is different from rinsing, as this is a more thorough cleaning process. Once you make your selection for Clean Milk Pipework, the display will now walk you through step by step for the process. The complete cycle takes approximately 10 minutes. In this case, we're first prompted to empty the drip tray and waste container. Once that's completed, we're now prompted to place our valve in the drip tray. So, we'll connect our milk pipework as shown and then press OK. Next, we're prompted to remove the water container and fill it with the specified amount of water based on your instruction manual. For the CM6 models, we'll add 1 1/4 cup of lukewarm water and 1 stick of Miele cleaning solution. Once you add the solution to your water, stir it gently for a couple of seconds, then place the container back in the machine. Once you replace the water container, the machine will automatically begin the cleaning process. Once the cleaning is complete, the drinks menu will appear on your screen. I believe that with proper care and maintenance, your Miele coffee machine will continue to deliver exceptional coffee beverages in your home for years to come. If you need any additional support with your Miele coffee machine, please contact our Miele customer support.